In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check Meta Business Manager ID. So you can do so by going over to facebook.com/business/tools/business-manager, and you should be able to see this right here. With this, you can maintain control, security, and privacy of your Facebook and Instagram assets by managing it right here on your manager. So click on this Get Started right here in order to log in into your account, and you should be able to see right here this page. Alternatively, you can also head over to business.facebook.com and log in with your Facebook. You can also log in with your Instagram or create a new account if you don't have one yet. Log in with your Manage Meta account as well if you have that option available. Once we're in there, the next thing we need to do is to actually go over to the settings. Click on the settings option. Then once you're in here, you can should be able to see right here these options that are available. Now on your business portfolio info, you can see all of this right here. So you can just choose what business portfolio you want, like for example, pages, ad accounts, and the likes. On my case, let's head over and choose right here pages. Now in here, you can see the ID of your page. Here we have in here this one. You can just click on this in order to copy it to your clipboard. You can also choose right here the other one and you can see the ID for it. Now if you want your business asset groups available, you can click onto this one right here and add one. And you can also see right here your ID depending on the page or the source it was connected with. It will be displayed at the top of the business info section, and you can also find it via the URL. You can do so by going after the number after business ID, which is right here, this one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need about Business Manager. Thank you so much for watching.